Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick in WordPress that makes editing your content so much easier. We're talking about how to get your text cursor to stay inside a block, which helps prevent accidental clicks and keeps your formatting clean. Let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress account. Just click the login link at the top right corner of your site. For a faster login, you can use the Continue with Google option. No need to remember passwords, it's that simple. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. From there, click on Edit Site in the Quick Links section. This opens the site editor where you can manage all your content blocks. Now, in the site editor, look to the top right corner and click the three dots for more options. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, go to the Accessibility section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Contain Text Cursor Inside Block. Toggle this on, and that's it. Now, your cursor will stay within the active block while you type, preventing accidental jumps to other blocks or formatting errors. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make editing in WordPress smoother and more precise. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!